Hi, welcome. This is a demo about OneMigrate, Sogeti's automated mass migration solution. When you log into the OneMigrate portal, you can start a new run. And a new run starts the automated migration. And as an input from a new automated migration, it is the output of an assessment. And that output of an assessment is, for example, this Excel sheet. And based on the decision trees in the assessment, an application can go to rehost, refactor. And it contains all the other information which is necessary for the migration scenario. And all that information comes from the assessment. So based on the rehost scenario, you can either select a rehost Azure Site Recovery server, or it selects via replatform, refactor, a release pipeline. That's all done during the assessment. So when we're loading the assessment, it will be analyzed by the portal about how many applications, where the most applications are going to, if they migrated via rehost or if they're going to migrate it via refactor. Now when you select run, the migration actually really starts. And what you will see, these are the three applications which we are migrating. For rehost, it goes through several stages which are required for Azure Site Recovery to really move the application or copy the application to Azure. So when you're looking in the Azure portal, you will really see that the rehost scenario of with Azure Site Recovery has started. Over here you can see the site recovery jobs, and these are the two physical machines which are going to be moved from on-prem to the cloud. This is all in progress. So when we jump into the refactor scenario, it creates a release pipeline in Azure DevOps. This is what you see over here. You see an Azure, the pipeline is being added, and this Azure pipeline is already kicked off. And this release pipeline contains the steps to provision the cloud infrastructure and also deploys the applications on top of it. That's what you see over here in the steps are executing. Meanwhile, the steps for the rehost scenario are going to be completed and the application is deployed via the release pipeline. So when that deployment is done, you really can go through that application and start browsing it. And I will show you that later on. So meanwhile, rehost takes a little bit more time to copy pasting, so I speed up. And on all the migrations is done. It gives you easy oversight of all the applications which are going to be migrated to the cloud. So let's look at the rehost applications, and that's what you see over here. These are the applications which are migrated via rehost to the cloud. Demo VM2, Demo VM5. They are put into a landing zone with all the networking stuff around there already in place. When you look at the refactor scenario, it also created a virtual machine. That virtual machine is also again in a network. All is configured in the release pipeline. And actually, because it also deploys the application immediately, you also can browse that application. That's what you will see over here. And this is just a normal startup ASP.NET application. So this is a OneMigrate scenario from assessment fully to migrated application in the cloud within minutes. Thank you for watching.